do you want?
I am the man.
Do you want Batman?
Batman.
Do you want Batman what?
Batman costume.
You want Batman costume.
Yeah.
Why is that?
This is a film on it.
Do you want to tell Daddy?
Yeah.
Tell him. Say,
Daddy, I'm the man costume.
You want a Batman costume? Yeah?
Daddy, I'm the Batman costume.
Okay.
Bye.
What do you say? You love him.
Thank you. It's really so standing there long.
You're gonna sing now?
No.
No.
How about Batman costume?
Okay, we let Daddy know, okay?
Okay.
I love you. So bye-bye.